I just got a new cassette for my Q360 due to broken gears, but the new one does not turn at all. Do you know what might be going
on? Did you check the gear on the propeller on top? Because if that's sheared off or not aligned, then the gear set isn't going to move at all. But if you got a new set and you should be able to spin the top ones, and ever so slowly the bottom ones should start to move. I mean, considering you've sheared a gear set already, I'm assuming you've had this for a while and you understand how they work. But I would check, because the other thing is, if you put the propeller back on, but its gear was sheared, then that will spin, but it's not going to affect the gears at all because there's nothing lining up. So I would check that. Then, like I said, grab your gear set and kind of spin the top one and see if the rest of them move, or if there is, inspect the gears and make sure that none of them are sheared. The other thing you can do is, if there is if you do notice a bad one, I don't know where you got the second gear set from, where if it's bad, obviously return it, but if that's not an option, then you can pull out those little tabs that they have on each one of the posts, and using your old gear set and your new one, you can replace the gears almost interchangeably, and just make sure you put it all back together.